Hi friends, today we are unboxing and trying my new keyboard I just bought. Lofree Flow Lite84 or something like that. Here my cutter. Yeah, fuck it all and no regrets. This is second hand, so perhaps there is nothing here. It's supposed to be almost new or new. Mechanical. Super white, I like it. Oh, satisfaction. Yeah. Great. You can use Bluetooth, but it has also something very nice, which is that you can use something called cable with a USB-C, thanks to the European Union, and you can make this work forever without losing the connectivity or the electricity. And I think we will use that advanced feature. Seems like I need to choose where I want Bluetooth or this cable. Great thing. Interesting that you need to choose. Why the hell do we need to choose? Oh, I love this thing. Pretty, it's small, but it weighs a bit. But well, I'm used to heavier stuff. We are trying it. We don't want the packaging. Magic, go! And I had already here a cable prepared. What's will this work? Not working yet. Why? I think I have a problem with the cable. I don't know. It works because I guess this has a battery or something. Okay, now it works. I was messing up with the hub I have, that it was not working right, but it's now like working. Okay, I think this is super satisfying. I like this. Not sure why it's all the time blinking. I will need to check that. Perhaps read the documentation. And I'm not sure. Oh, this is the volume. Okay, great. It works. See you next video.